Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review and unboxing of this unit from NFM Hair. I hope you enjoy it. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Sasha Curly Bob 13x6 frontal wig with combs and adjustable straps with bleached knots. It says it is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Now I want to say that I actually originally put in an order for the China 13x6 straight bob wig, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, but at some point they reached out to me and said that they were actually out of stock, and if they would like, if I would like, they would go ahead and straighten the curly bob for me, but I said to not worry about it, just go ahead and send me the curly bob. So this is the box that it came in. I love this design on the front, it's gorgeous women. It also came wrapped in a plastic covering, which is really nice because it was raining and I would have been really upset if this box got wet. So it came wrapped, So it came wrapped in a plastic bag with this red paper underneath it. Now the plastic bag says that it's 12-inch stretched, and I don't think that the website said a length. So just coming straight out of the bag, it is so gorgeous. It's very soft. You can tell that this is very good quality hair, and it's also very full, which is really nice. And right off the bat, this looks like it'll be longer than 12 inches when straightened, which is really nice. Right, and you can actually see they did pre-pluck it. So I'm just gonna plop it on my head so you can see, you know, what it looks like right out of the box. You can definitely tell that the knots are bleached, which is so nice. Give you guys a closer look. It's nice and soft. Wow, this is really thick. You can see it's like butter. It's a nice curly bob, but you can tell I can just run my fingers right through it. The lace seems to be an okay color. I think I'll just need to throw a little bit of foundation on it and it'll be okay. So there is an adjustable strap in the back, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. You've got the 2 on the side and the 1 in the middle there. Looking at it, you can definitely tell that it was bleached, which is so nice. That just cuts out an extra step for me. All right, now I'm just gonna go wash the unit and cut the lace, and I'll show you how it sits. All right, I am back, and everything that I've done to the unit is add an elastic band, shampoo, condition, deep condition, and then I did put some wrap mousse on the outside and just kind of let it wrap because I knew I didn't want to glue the unit down. And honestly, I love this unit. What do you think? It is gorgeous. Just like I said in the unboxing, the length is great. It is nice and thick. It is very soft. I'm just able to run my hands through it, and I didn't put any product in the curls except for the leave-in conditioner, and it's just so healthy and nice. I am so happy with this unit, and I can't wait to take this on vacation with me in a few days. Overall, I would definitely recommend this unit as well as all of the other units and bundles that they sell over at NFM Hair or Not Factory Made. I will actually go ahead and leave a link to where you can purchase this unit in my description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video and would like to see more like it, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell next to it. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. I hope you have a great day or night. Bye!